In this video, we are going to take a look at another potential winning product, which is a burger holder, and we are going to do some competitor, Kickstarter, and Amazon research. Okay, so as you can see right in front of you, the product is a burger holder, and the name that they have given it is Burger Buddy. Okay, let's dive into the competitor research, and if we click on the find seller button, what it's going to do, it's going to take all these images and show us everyone who's trying to sell this product by using these images. If I go to the Shopify tab, I can see there is someone called Mr. Burger who has tried selling this product, probably a one product store. Then there is CVC online store, check and pack, and USAC. I would say like there are three or four competitors who have at least tried selling this product. Now, if you can come up with a good angle and if you understand the market well, then definitely you can try this product out. Okay, but in this video, I don't want to go to our earlier video research methods. I want to show you something different. Okay, if we go to the others tab and we search for YouTube, we are going to find some good videos for the product. As you here is the Kickstarter page for the product. As you can see, they have done close to 17k. Okay, now if you look at this side, you can see that they have sold this product for £6 or something, but that's not the price that we are going to go after. I want to show you something else here. if i take if I take this title and go to the dashboard and do our earlier method of trying to find videos, what you're going to find is something a little different, like this product. Okay, let me play the video for you. Let me now if you looked at this video closely, you would find that this is a somewhat different product which has been selling quite well for quite some time on Amazon. Okay, I have this product open here, right here, the original burger holder, and as you can see they have been selling it for $14.95 and they have received 828 ratings. Okay, and probably this would be way better, this Amazon page would be way better if you want to find different angles to sell this product. Okay, use a one hand, probably you can market it as a one hand burger holder or something like that, I don't know. Okay, and if we go back to our earlier competitor research, there is one more thing that I found which was quite interesting, which was on Twitter, if I am right, uh, probably this one. So they, like, I don't know who this person is, but they think that this is a bad idea, and this product has got some engagement on Twitter as well. So if you like, you can go through the comments there as well and see why people are not buying it. Okay, so probably you can create a some sort of a report or something around that reason and try to market this product with new angles, with new offer and stuff like that. This is all that I had for this product, and I hope that you can differentiate between these two different products, try to come up with different angles and market probably both the products. I'll see you in the next one.